Hey, here we have a problem. It says write as a number line, and what's given to us is an interval notation. The interval is bracket -3 up to infinity, of course, with the parentheses. So let's make our number line and put the things on there that are interesting. Okay. So first of all, I always put 0 on my number line. -3 is less than 0. We know infinity is going to the right over here, but let's see here. What can we do? A bracket on -3 means it's included, so we can do that two ways. We can use a bracket, or I can do another version if you're more comfortable. You'll see me use both versions interchangeably. I can use the closed circle as well. And then we're going to go to the numbers bigger than it. So from -3, we'll draw our arrow over to the right forever on either case that we do here. So either one of those number lines would be acceptable. Also, if we wanted to write it in inequality form, it might be easier to see it from a number line than interval notation, but we could say x is greater than or equal to -3. I guess we could also say -3 is less than or equal to x, but you definitely don't have to say both. But just giving you some options, or if you see it a little bit differently, letting you know you're okay. Thank you.